What's up, y'all? We back at it, like a crack at it. We out here in nature again with my nigga Edward. Sun shining pretty bright. Actually, it's not. It's covered up by all them clouds and shit. But don't matter to us. We out here. This is a video about your purpose, how to find your purpose, what your purpose probably is, and just ways to find your purpose. Alright, if you're watching this, you have a purpose. You most likely do. Everybody has a purpose. The universe wants to express itself in as many ways as possible. So if you're watching this, you have a purpose. The only problem is how to find it. Okay, so we're gonna get into that now. Your purpose is what you are meant to do in this lifetime. Your last lifetime, you had a purpose, and it's probably a similar thing to what you're doing now. So say if your last lifetime, you were a healer, a type of healer. This lifetime, you could be a doctor. You feel what I'm saying? So it's a similar thing to what you're doing now. But the problem with nowadays is we have a lot of complexities. So a lot of people aren't finding their purpose, and in turn, it's making them unhappy. So if you really want to live your lifetime to the fullest, you have to find your purpose. That's something that you got to do, and it will make you happy, and it will set you on your path. Okay, so how to find your purpose? There's a lot of tools you can use. Number one, set the intent to find your purpose. Set the intent, ask your higher self how to find your purpose. Meditation is a very powerful practice with this. Meditate for like 10-20 minutes, and just before you meditate, set the intent. I will find my purpose through this meditation. Just say that in your brain, say it out loud, don't matter, and your higher self will probably give you your purpose. But that works, but you should use multiple ways to find your purpose, if you get what I'm saying. Like, you should use multiple layers. So another way to find your purpose is numerology. Numerology is very powerful. This life is numbers, right? We live in a simulation, a matrix, whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying? So life is numbers. Everything is about numbers, right? We discovered numbers. We didn't make numbers. So you get what I'm saying? So that's the language of the universe. So numerology is a very powerful practice. I forgot how exactly to calculate it and stuff. I know you gotta like put your name and put your whatever, but your purpose should be the one that says life path or soul urge. Okay, so me example, my life path is 6. Okay, so 6 is like healer. 6 is like I was meant to heal people. I was meant to help people out. I was meant to care for others more than I do myself, which is something I do in daily life. I do care for others more than I do for myself. I do I'm making these videos to help other people out. They're not really for me personally. They're to help other people out. Even if I don't have a lot of subscribers at this moment, I still hope that 1 or 2 people will see this and they will get something out of it, and help themselves out. You know what I'm saying? So 6 is like healer and all that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like, it goes up to I think 11, and then there's master numbers and all that. So I'll make a whole video about numerology because it's a very interesting field. You can predict motherfucking playoffs with this shit. You can predict, like, you can make some money off of numerology on some real, but yeah, that's numerology. Look up your numerology chart. See what your purpose is. See what your soul urge is. See what your life path number is. That will usually tell you. It will usually tell you what you are meant to do. So, okay, number 1, set the intent. Number 2, numerology. Alright, let's get to number 3. Number 3 is astrology. Look up your astrology chart. See what it says. See what purpose will it lead you on. I'm a Capricorn. My astrology chart says I'm a Capricorn, so I'm a very business oriented person. And that's another thing with these practices like numerology. Your numerology chart could say something completely different than your astrology chart, or it could say the same thing. It's okay if it says completely different. See, my numerology chart says I'm a healer. My astrology chart says, Capricorn, business oriented person. Okay, I resonate with both of those things, you know what I'm saying? And then it's like, okay, healer with business. Can I combine these two and make it an aspect? Yes, you usually can. Okay, just see if it resonates with you. It's okay if it has two different things. You weren't put on this life in this most expansive, this vast world. You weren't put on this earth to do one thing, you know what I'm saying? You were probably put on this earth most likely to do multiple things. So you have to expand your horizon. You have to look at other things. So yeah, astrology, my astrology chart said I'm a Capricorn, which means I'm a business oriented person. I take a lot of things too seriously, but that's just how it is, you know what I mean? So yeah, look at your astrology chart, see what it says about you, see what it says about personality wise. It might even say a couple careers, so look into that. It's a good thing. Astrology. Number 3, find your purpose. Okay. To add on to this, I want to talk about taking leaps, okay? And, risking yourself, risking what you're doing in order to find your purpose. Because if you're working at a job that doesn't really resonate with you and it's not your purpose, you're not going to be really happy. You're not going to be happy at that job. And most likely that job's going to end or something's going to happen. That's because you're not on your purpose. The universe is trying to define itself through other people. Everybody else is aspect of you. Whole nother video, whatever. But you get what I'm saying. Like, everybody else is aspect of you, it's aspect of the universe. So the universe wants to define itself through other people, and that's what really a purpose means. So take leaps, take quantum leaps, because you have to find what truly defines you. You have to define what the universe wants to see your aspect as. What aspect of the universe are you? Okay? You can't worry about what people may think of you. You can't worry about what your family may think of you. You can't worry about what your friends, you can't worry about what other people may think of you. You have to go within. You have to go inside your heart. You have to ask your soul. You have to ask the universe what you are truly here on this earth to do. And trust me, it will answer back. And once it answers back, take the leap, take the jump, do what you have to do. Because trust me, it will make you so much more happier in the end. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Not gonna lie, the bugs are all up on me. They love me, I guess. I love nature, but mosquitoes, I don't know. I don't vibe with mosquitoes. They GMO, but that's a whole nother video. Hope you guys are outside. Hope you guys are getting your nature. You guys are sun gazing. The next video is gonna be about sun gazing, so watch out for that one. Like, subscribe, all that shit. Daily videos, like always. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.